Good morning, my dear students. Now we'll discuss construction of parabola. Under this, we are discussing now two parabolas axes bisect each other. This concept we'll discuss with the help of a problem. What is the problem? Draw a rectangle having its sides 125 mm and 75 mm long. Inscribe two parabolas in it with their axes bisect each other. That is, here we have to construct the rectangle. Within that rectangle, we have to draw two parabolas and their axes bisecting each other. The rectangle dimensions are 125 and 75 mm. With 125 and 75 mm long, we have to draw the rectangle, and then MN is one axis and PQ is another axis. These two axes are bisecting each other. That is, with AD horizontal as a base and PQ vertical axis, we have to draw one parabola, and CD base 75 mm as a base and MN 125 mm as a axis length, we have to draw another parabola so that these two axes are bisecting each other at a particular point O. For first parabola, horizontal base, that is AD is 125 mm and vertical axis PQ height is 75 mm. For second parabola, vertical base CD 75 mm and axis MN as 125 mm is considered. That is, these two parabolas, say with base 125 and axis 75 mm, this is one parabola, and base 75 and axis 125 mm, this is another parabola. These two parabolas are bisecting each other at this particular point. Now we'll construct first parabola. ABCD is the rectangle, 125 mm is the base length, 75 mm is the axis height. With the 75 mm as axis height, draw axis line. After that, divide AB into 6 equal divisions and AQ also into 6 equal divisions. Then join P5, P4, P3, P2, P1, etc. Then here division points on AQ, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Draw verticals. Say from 1 draw vertical towards P1, from 2 draw vertical towards P2, from 3 draw vertical towards P3, from 4 draw vertical towards P4, from 5 draw vertical towards P5, like that. After that, locate intersection points, say P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. After that, draw mirror images for P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 points. Say P1 dash, P2 dash, P3 dash, P4 dash, P5 dash. Then starting point as A, passing through P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P5 dash, P4 dash, P3 dash, P2 dash, P1 dash, and D. Draw smooth curve. The smooth curve is the parabola. The construction of first parabola, that is with base 125 and axis 75 mm, is completed. Now we'll move towards construction of another parabola with base 75 and axis 125 mm to be constructed now. For second parabola, CD is the base, MN is the axis. CD measurement is 75 mm, MN measurement is 125 mm. Within this rectangle, we have to construct another parabola. As a first step, what we have to do? We have to divide BC into 6 equal parts and CN also into 6 equal parts. Join M21, M22, M23, M24, M25. Divide CN into 6 equal parts. 1 From 1, draw line parallel to axis towards M1. From 2, draw line parallel to axis towards M2. From 3, draw line parallel to axis towards M3. From 4, draw line parallel to axis towards M4. From 5, draw line parallel to axis towards M5. After that, name those points as Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5. For these points, we'll draw mirror images. Say Q1 dash, Q2 dash, Q3 dash, Q4 dash, Q5 dash. Name these points. Say Q1 dash, Q2 dash, Q3 dash, Q4 dash, Q5 dash. Now join all these points with the help of a smooth curve. The smooth curve is a parabola. Now this parabola's axis Mn and earlier parabola's axis PQ are bisecting each other at a particular point O. This is the solution for the given problem, that is, for first parabola the axis PQ and for the second parabola the axis Mn are bisecting each other at a point O. The two parabolas to be with H pencil, axis lines with 2H pencil and construction lines and dimension lines with 3H pencils to be used. Here all dimensions are in millimeters. Thank you.